everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Minutes in a City. You guys loved our first dive into luxury travel alternatives, so we're back with 5 brand new incredible high-end destinations and their equally breathtaking but much more affordable counterparts. If you dream of experiencing the best the world has to offer but want to be smart with your travel budget, you're in for a treat. Just like last time, for each luxurious location, I'll be revealing a hidden gem that offers similar or even more unique experiences without the premium price tag. Get ready to discover some more amazing, underrated destinations that will allow you to travel the world in style without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. Our first dream destination is the epitome of tropical paradise, Bora Bora in French Polynesia. Famous for its iconic overwater bungalows, vibrant turquoise lagoons teeming with marine life, and lush volcanic peaks, Bora Bora is the ultimate escape for romance and relaxation. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views and diving into some of the world's most pristine waters. If those breathtaking turquoise lagoons and stunning beaches are calling your name, but Bora Bora's price tag isn't, then look no further than Palawan in the Philippines. This archipelago boasts dramatic limestone cliffs, secret lagoons, powdery white sand beaches, and incredible snorkeling and diving opportunities. From the stunning Bakuit archipelago in El Nido to the shipwreck dives in Coron, Palawan offers a very similar level of tropical beauty and adventure for a fraction of the cost. Next, we journey to the dramatic and enchanting Scottish Highlands. Known for its rugged landscapes, historic castles steeped in history, serene lochs shrouded in mist, and vast rolling green hills, the Highlands offer a truly majestic and atmospheric travel experience. Imagine exploring ancient ruins, hiking through breathtaking scenery, and maybe even catching a glimpse of the elusive Nessie. For similar dramatic mountain scenery, charming villages, and a wealth of outdoor activities without the Scottish Highlands premium, consider the Slovakian TATRA Mountains. This stunning mountain range offers towering peaks, crystal-clear glacial lakes, picturesque hiking trails, and charming mountain villages. You can experience incredible natural beauty and outdoor adventures, from hiking and climbing in the summer to skiing and snowboarding in the winter, all at a much more affordable price. Our next luxurious escape takes us to the heart of Italy, Tuscany. Famous for its rolling vineyards, charming Renaissance villas, historic hilltop towns, and iconic cypress-lined roads, Tuscany offers a truly idyllic and culturally rich experience. Imagine sipping world-class wine, indulging in delicious Italian cuisine, and exploring centuries of art and history. For a similarly enchanting experience of rolling hills, vineyards, charming villages, delicious food, and a rich cultural heritage, explore the Croatian countryside, particularly regions like Istria and the Dalmatian hinterlands. Here you'll find stunning landscapes dotted with vineyards and olive groves, charming stone villages steeped in history, and a delicious Mediterranean cuisine that rivals Italy's, often at a significantly lower cost. Plus, you're never too far from the stunning Croatian coast. Next up, we have the dazzling and futuristic city of Dubai in the UAE. Known for its iconic skyscrapers, luxurious shopping malls, thrilling desert adventures, and opulent hotels, Dubai offers a truly modern and extravagant travel experience. If you're looking for a vibrant, modern city with impressive architecture, incredible shopping, delicious and diverse food, and a blend of cultures without Dubai's high-end price tag, consider Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Our final luxurious destination takes us to the majestic Canadian Rockies. Known for their towering snow-capped peaks, breathtaking turquoise lakes like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, vast evergreen forests, and luxurious mountain lodges. For similarly breathtaking alpine scenery with jagged peaks, stunning emerald lakes, charming villages, and outdoor activities at a fraction of the cost, explore the Julian Alps in Slovenia. And there you have it. 5 more incredible luxury destinations and their equally stunning, yet much more budget-friendly alternatives. I hope these discoveries inspire your future travels and show you that incredible experiences are within reach for every budget. Which of these budget-friendly destinations are now on your travel radar? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to Minutes in a City for more exciting travel ideas and budget-friendly tips. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels.